Welcome to the fifth episode of Shraddha series. In the previous episode, we had a glimpse of hastas being used in the Natya Shastra slokas, along with some hand positionings and hand gestures. Today, let us learn more about hastas or mudras. Mudras play an integral part in Bharatanatyam. These gestures or mudras are used to denote various characters, emotions, feelings, events, actions, and so on. Understanding these mudras is a very important learning for a dancer. There are about 52 hastas or mudras in the Natya Shastra, of which 28 belong to the Asamyuta hastas and 24 belong to the Samyuta hastas. Hastas play a major role in Bharatanatyam, where stories are brought to life with beautiful facial expressions, intricate hand gestures, and dynamic movements. Now, Srimati Jayashree Deepan will be demonstrating us the Asamyuta hastas and some Devata hastas. These Devata hastas are used to depict our Indian gods and goddesses. ತಳಂಗುತ ಕತಿ ಕುತ ಕತ ದಿಂಗಿಣ ತೋಂ ತತ್ತೈತಾಂ ದಿತ್ತೈತಾಂ ತತ್ತೈತಾಂ ದಿತ್ತೈತಾಂ ತಳಂಗುತ ಕತಿ ಕುತ ಕತ ದಿಂಗಿಣ ತೋಂ ತಾಂ. When we practice Asamyuta hastas, be sure that your elbows are up. Patakas tripatako अर्धपताक कत्तरी मुखः मयूराख्यो अर्थचन्द्रश्च अराळ शुकतुण्डकः मुष्टिश्च शिखराकश्च कपीत कटकामुखः सूची चन्द्रकला पद्मकोशो सर्पशिरस्तथा मृगशीरिषः सिंहमुखा काङ्गूलश्च अलपद्मकः चतुरो भ्रमरश्चैव हंसास्यो हंसभक्षकः छन्दांशो मुकुलश्चैव तामरचूड त्रिशूलकः इति असंयुतहस्तानाम् अष्टाविंशतिरीरिता. Now let us see how Asamyuta hastas can be used to showcase the Indian gods and goddesses. Brahma, Hamsasyam in your right, Chaturam in your left. Vishnu, Tirupatakam in your right and Tirupatakam in your left. Shiva, Simhamukam in your right, Alabadmam in your left. Saraswati, Suchi in your right, Kapitam in your left. Lakshmi, Kapitam in your right and Kapitam in your left. Parvati, Patakam in your right and Patakam in your left. Ganesha, Kapitam in your right and Kapitam in your left. Kartikeya. Shikaram in your right, Trishulam in your left. Indra, Tripatakam in your right, Tripatakam in your left. Agni, Tripatakam in your right, Kangulam in your left. Vayu, Aralam in your right, Arthapatakam in your left. Bhumi Devi, Patakam in your right, Patakam in your left. Yama, Suchi in your right, Simhamukha in your left. Kubera, Mushti in your right, Alabadmam in your left. These are the Devata Hastas using Asamyuta Hastas.
Let me now show you how we can use some of the Asamyuta Hastas such as Pataka, Tripataka, Alapadma, Simhamukha, Shikara to denote Lord Nadaraja in just a small portion of Jati.
Dim, dim, takka, dimmi, dimmi, ta, dimmi, takkita, dirigada tak, dirigada tak, dirigada tatamita takundari, kita taka tak, dim, tak, dim, dim, tom. Talangu takatiku takata dingena tom, tattai tom, dittai tom. Tattai tam, dittai tam, talangu takatiku takata dingina tom tam. Hope this episode was more informative to all of you, and please stay tuned till the next episode where we will be dealing about Samyuta Hastas. Until then, Namaskaram.